Welcome back to a day in the life of a software engineer. I recently moved, and that's why there's a bit of a change of scenery. I'm still trying to figure out my day-to-day rhythm in the new place with the new office and home office and everything. But a nice thing is that there is a separate room now for working and for YouTube and for other stuff. I am still trying to build the home office or the setup and not happy right now how it's looking, but I am upgrading it little by little. So this might not be the final form, so to speak. The new job has definitely been nice. I've been enjoying lately a bit more because I'm being more independent recently, more so working on my own tasks, learning new things all by myself. I do enjoy solo work every now and then, but I do need the social interaction, and that's why I'm trying to get to the office at least like 2 to 3 times a week. Because it is nice being at a brand new home office, but still you do need the social interactions with other people. Regarding new videos, I am trying out different things, so don't mind about that. I'm trying some cinematic challenges and a bit of storytelling every now and then. Today was quite meeting heavy day. Usually my days only have like a daily, maybe some other non-organized meetings. But today I had quite a lot of meetings and a few long ones. I'm also enjoying the new environment a lot since it's very green outside. I do still enjoy my football here, and I am trying to find a new team here, which Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.